sis, if you don't take care of yourself, I don't know who's going to take care of yourself for you. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Delilah Ferrari if you're new, and if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, boo? Today we are about to do a mini maintenance. I don't know if you're familiar with my channel, but I like to do this mini maintenance series to remind the girls that they are that girl. Like, if you slack on taking care of yourself, this video is perfect for you. Even if you always take care of yourself and you slacked a little bit this month, sis, this is your sign. Get up, let's go. I haven't got my nails done in about 2-3 months, you guys, and it is disgusting. Like, I go to work with my nails like this. I'm just so scared, and I'm always hiding them, and I just realized that I've been super depressed lately. This month I have been crashing, and I forgot that I am that girl. I forgot that I need to dress like it. Now I know y'all probably like, oh, it's not all about looking good or putting on makeup and all of that. You must also take care of your inner self. Make sure that you're taking your vitamins and drinking lots of water to keep clear skin and just your body and blood flowing at all times, okay? I'm no doctor or anything like that, but make sure you're going to get checkups and making sure your inner self is also okay. So this video is more on the external thing, how people view you from the outside of you. So make sure your personality is on point, and make sure that you always have great vibes. I don't know if you're familiar with my channel, but we like to do a maintenance routine thing, a maintenance week. Today is a maintenance day. We about to go get our nails done, our feet done, and our eyebrows. And also tonight I'm gonna be giving myself a facial. I've been using this company called Your for about a month now, and it's been having my skin look like baby skin, like newborn. Like, look at my skin, y'all. Like, it's super soft. My makeup is sitting on properly lately, and I've been loving it. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna put y'all on. I was breaking out badly over here, and I didn't know why. I thought it was the pillows. I keep washing my sheets, my pillowcases, and all that, but it was because I wasn't using the right products. And now I am blemish free. I have no acne, no whatsoever, y'all. Like, everything is just gone the moment I started using that product. But anyways, I'll show y'all that later on tonight. But yeah, we about to get beautified, we about to look good again, and we about to feel good. Only reason why I'm doing this maintenance video is because I want to remind you to go and get your nails done, go get your feet done, make yourself feel good again. Time to get the bill. These are the nails. I love it so much. She did it pretty neat. She was about to do them very thick, and I was like, please do them smaller because we're trying to be, you know, that girl. And then here's the toes. I don't have the greatest toes, but these are the toesies. Yeah, you guys, now we just gotta get facial. I'm gonna do my own facial, and I like to shave my face also. Since I did my eyebrows, I might as well shave my face. Can't wait to get home and wipe this makeup off and really see how the brows are looking. I'm gonna apply this mask all over my face. This mask is super cold. I love me a mask in the nighttime. If you want to feel relaxed, just go and apply a mask, baby. This says to apply it for 20 minutes and then wipe it off with a damp cloth. So I'm just gonna leave that on. Sis, if you don't take care of yourself, I don't know who's going to take care of yourself for you, because we're getting older. And if you don't put on that mask, I'm just happy that you are here with me at 2 a.m. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm just going to wash this off. Oh, wait a minute. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below.